In this video, we're going to do a sky replacement that should be, I'm pretty sure is going to be the last image that we're going to need to edit in this session. So, but we've done sky replacements before, and this is going to be basically that same process. Now, this one, as I recall from, we did another shot where she was looking, kind of more straight on. I'm pretty sure for this one, we did a very, very blown out version. And for this, there we go. Okay, so I'm already liking that a lot better. I already like that a lot better. It actually did a pretty good job with the mask and everything too. Yeah, I actually did a pretty good job with that. That was pretty good. Okay, we're not even really going to need to do much else other than, because I'm happy with that. Let's take our wire here. Let's get our wire mask, because we are going to blur it. That's the key thing here. So this is going to be our wire mask, and we can get rid of anything. Actually, you know what? Let's do that as we need to. We don't need to clean that up quite yet. Let's take this group here. We'll flatten it down. We will add our blur. And then add the wire mask layer to it. Invert that, and honestly, I think that's pretty good to go. I mean, I even like that little bit of, you know what? Never mind. I take that back. Some here is kind of messed up. Some of that blur. So let's remove this mostly on her. I like it on the jeans, not so much on the skin. All right, the sky that's there, maybe the shirt. Okay, I mean, we've got, obviously it's a white shirt, but that's not as bad. I just don't like it on the skin, I guess. So we've got this. Clean up, and while we're here, we can go ahead and clean some of this up too. You're not really going to really notice that probably. White does absorb a lot of the secondary color, or a lot of the color bounce, or the color cast, I should say. And we'll just blend this just a little bit better from the automated mask. Okay. Honestly, I think that's pretty good. I'm going to do one last little thing here. I guess we could have probably edited this in the last one. I thought it was going to take a lot longer, but I'm pretty happy with this. I'm going to brighten the sky just a little bit. Just because the other ones are so much brighter, we're going to do that just a little bit here too. And then on this one as well. And there we go. Okay. Yeah, no, I think that's good. Okay, so we will go ahead and save this, and let's hop into our folder here. I think that is pretty much everything edited. I think we are pretty well good to go. The only PSB that we have was too large is this one here. So our next step here is essentially going to be to go into Capture One and go through the straightening and cropping process. But Capture One can't read Photoshop large files, so it won't be able to read this PSB file. So let's actually do this. We're going to do a little bit of maintenance. So while this is saving, I'm going to take this and then we're going to end this video, but I'm going to open up this file So this will take a little while to open because it's a large file. And I'm going to see if there are some layers in here that we can get rid of. We'll look at that in the next video, because if I can get rid of some layers to get that to a TIFF file, it'll make it easier for us when we're cropping, because we can do that all in Capture One. We don't have this one file that's a little bit different. And then it'll make it easier for you too if you get the project file, because then you don't have to deal with this large Photoshop document that's super, super big. And this is pulling in here. So, all right, so we'll end this video here, and I'll see you in the next video once this is done saving and this other file is done opening.